Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Tenveo PTZ Camera Bundle, a professional live streaming solution that is taking the industry by storm. We found this product online, and you can check the latest price and availability through the link in the description below. So, what exactly is the Tenveo PTZ Camera Bundle? This kit includes a high-performance 4K PTZ camera and a joystick controller, designed for seamless live streaming. The camera features a remarkable 20x optical zoom and offers multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, USB 3.0, and LAN with POE support. With its AI auto-tracking capabilities, this camera ensures that your subjects are always perfectly framed, making it ideal for a variety of live production environments. One of the standout features of this bundle is its stunning 4K video quality. The Tenveo camera captures video at 30 frames per second, delivering breathtaking clarity that elevates your streaming experience. Whether you're broadcasting a live event, conducting a video conference, or filming educational content, this camera's premium sensor and wide-angle lens provide exceptional detail and versatility. The AI humanoid and face auto-tracking ensure that you'll never miss a moment, whether you're capturing expansive scenes or tight, distortion-free close-ups. Setup is a breeze with the Tenveo PTZ Camera Bundle. The support for POE means that you can power and control the camera with a single Ethernet cable, simplifying the entire process. This is particularly beneficial for those with complex multi-camera setups, as you can connect up to 255 cameras and switch between them quickly. The joystick controller features a 5-inch LCD screen for real-time preview, making it easy to manage and operate the camera smoothly. Now, who is this camera bundle suitable for? It's perfect for churches looking to live stream services, businesses hosting virtual meetings, educators delivering online classes, or anyone involved in live event production. Its universal compatibility with platforms like OBS's vMix, Zoom, Teams, and various social media sites allows it to integrate effortlessly into existing workflows. Practical use cases are endless. You can use it for professional broadcasts, engaging online classes, or even capturing special events. The flexibility to mount the camera on a ceiling, wall, or tripod makes it adaptable to any environment, ensuring that you can achieve the best angles and perspectives for your content. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: the Tenveo VL20U 4K and 4K camera, the KB200 Pro joystick controller, an IR remote control, wall mount, USB 3.0 cable, power adapter, and a user manual. Plus, Tenveo offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and lifetime technical support, providing you with peace of mind as you embark on your video production journey. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.